the ORAP. I am Davina. Here are the stories making headlines today. Angry residents and taxi operators of Darliston, Westmoreland, today blocked the roadway leading to the community to protest over deplorable road conditions. According to the residents, the community has been promised better roads for years, but those promises are yet to come to fruition. Several schools had to be closed due to the demonstration as the roads were deemed impassable. People's National Party caretaker for the Cornwall Mountain Division, Abigail Malcolm, who arrived shortly after the protest got underway, confirmed that the area was long overdue for a new road. The residents are demanding that the relevant authorities intervene and fix the roadway. In other news, Opposition spokesman on Labour and Social Security, Senator Dr. Floyd Morris, today called on the government to get its supporters to stop what he described as the labelling and demonization of public sector workers. Morris's comment follows public backlash against workers of at least 3 government entities who walked off the job last week. According to the senator, the comments and attacks are untruthful and misleading. He further advised the government to restore some order to the labor relations environment by being more honest and transparent with the workers. Some 2,000 National Water Commission workers, the island's air traffic controllers, and workers at the National Housing Trust walked off the job last week to protest several issues, including outstanding reclassification exercises and the implementations of a job evaluation. Meanwhile, Attorney General Dr. Derrick McCoy was elevated to the rank of Queen's Counsel during a calling to the Inner Bar ceremony this morning. The ceremony, which got underway after 9 a.m., was attended by the Minister of Justice, Delroy Chuck, and presided over by Chief Justice Brian Sykes. The calling to the Inner Bar ceremony is a time-honored tradition for members of the legal fraternity who have distinguished themselves in the field and in service to their country. Individuals are appointed Queen's Counsel in Jamaica following recommendations from the Queen's Counsel Committee and at the Governor General's assent. And in sport, American sprinter Sha'Carri Richardson has revealed that she is still healing from an abusive relationship with a Jamaican female athlete. Richardson made the revelation on social media Sunday as questions lingered about her reported sudden withdrawal from a 100-meter showdown with world champion Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce at a meet in Kenya last week. Richardson has struggled to meet expectations after a failed drug test prevented her from competing in the 2020 Tokyo Olympics, where she was expected to face off against some of the world's fastest sprinters. She is yet to open her 2022 track and field season. This has been the ORAP. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Davina.